Hi, good morning. We are going to do a fine motor activity today. So what you're going to need is a box or a shallow Tupperware, and you get some string and wrap it around. Or if you don't have string, I'm sure you do, but if you don't, you can use tape and just tape the box on top in different patterns until you get like little holes like that on there. And then you're going to fill it up with cotton balls, or if you don't have cotton balls, take tissue paper, tear it up, make it into balls, and drop it in there. So we're going to fill this up with the cotton balls and the paper balls. You can mix and match, and you can get an egg carton or paper cups or bowls, different bowls, and number them. See how you have the different numbers, randomly number them. And if you have a clothespin, you take a clothespin. If not, some kitchen tongs. What we're going to do is fish for the cotton balls or the paper balls. So what you do is take this and put it through the hole like that. Go fishing for, and pick it up. And pick a number. Let's say number 2 over here. And you drop it in number 2, and you go fishing one more because I dropped one in there. Fish one more time. I'm going to use my clothespin so you can see. And the clothespin, you go in there and you fish for the. That's up. Got it. And you put it there. So according to the number in the box, in the egg carton or the cups that you have, you drop in the cotton balls. So here I had the number 2, so I put 2 cotton balls in there. If you have the number 4, you go fishing 4 times and you fill this up with 4 balls. Have fun. Bye.